Hey everyone, got cluttered media library? I'll show you two fast ways to clean it with and without a plugin. But first, back up your website. There is a full tutorial linked down in the description. First method is using free plugin called Media Cleaner, not sponsored. Media Cleaner checks which files are not used in posts or pages. Just make sure to double check before deleting, and again, backup first. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add Plugin, scroll down, and search Plugins. Search for Media Cleaner. It's the first option on the left. Click Install, then Activate. Now go to Media. On the left, select Cleaner, scroll down. Make sure the option is selected to Media Library. Click Scan. And another reminder that you always have to back up, because if you delete the images, they will be permanently deleted. So once you back up your site, make sure to check this option. And once you read all of it, then click Understand. And as you can see, it's showing list of unused images. You can select all of them, you can delete all of them, or you can select certain images. Let's say only one image. You can select this one. If you click delete, now we've got the image we have deleted. We can select it and delete permanently, or we can recover the entire item. Going back to issues, scroll down, the image is right here. If you don't want to use a plugin, no problem. Here is how to clean manually. Back to the dashboard, under media, go to library, scroll down. You can select the image that you want to delete that's not being used by any post or page, but this means you have to check manually to make sure you don't delete an image that's already being used. For example, the first image is not being used in my site by any post or page, so it's safe to delete. You can click delete permanently right from here, and it gives you a warning that you are about to delete this image permanently. Once it's done, then it can be undone. Click OK, and the image is gone. You can also select from the drop-down list type of media that you want to look into and then delete, from images, videos, audios, spreadsheet. You can also select the dates. For example, we can select images from May of 2025 and showing now images from back in May. This method takes a bit more time, but it gives you full control. That's it. Two easy ways to delete unused media in WordPress. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more content. Drop a comment below which method do you prefer to use. Thank you for watching.